This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Meghalaya Government yesterday took the decision to put in place the containment measures in vulnerable state capital Shillong, Jowai and Tura towns to contain the spread of coronavirus in the state. Speaking to the media after the online meeting with Deputy Commissioners chaired by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong, the containment measures prohibit entry and exit of vehicular movements except those of essential services. The minister said the restriction of movements will commence from 5 a.m. of the 1st of May 2021 till the 5 a.m. of the 10th of May. In this connection, he said all educational institutions will remain closed during this period and examinations will go on as scheduled. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal yesterday held a meeting with the representatives of various central government organizations, army and paramilitary forces, oil public sector units in Guwahati. He discussed about ways to ramp up public health infrastructure in the state in case COVID-19 situation deteriorates. He said that due to the increased capacity of healthcare facilities in the first wave of the pandemic, the infected people have not been facing any difficulty in receiving medical care till now, but he stressed on the need to prepare for all eventualities in view of surging number of cases. Sonowal also urged the health authorities to increase ICU beds in those hospitals and assured that the state government would provide necessary facilities including medical oxygen for the purpose. In Assam, educational institutions have been shut down in several districts for 15 days due to rise in COVID-19 cases. This decision was taken following order issued by the Assam government to close all educational institutes in those districts where total positive cases exceeded 300. However, online classes will be continued. The state government has set up a control room for people of Assam working in other states. The registration of process for COVID vaccination to all above 18 years began yesterday. They will be vaccinated in the third phase of COVID vaccination drive starting from 1st of May next month. All the eligibility can register on co-win in portal covid.gov.in, Arogya Setu app and Umang app. In this phase, the vaccination will continue as before in central government vaccination centers, free of cost to eligible people including healthcare workers, frontline workers and all above 40 years of age. This seems to be the case with most other states as well. Meghalaya registered 2 COVID-19 related deaths from East Khasi Hills district yesterday, totaling the number of fatalities to 167. Directorate of Health Services in a statement informed that 159 new COVID-19 cases were reported, adding the number of active cases to 1,475. The state recorded 138 recoveries. So far, 2,57,892 doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered, out of which 2,01,297 people have received the first dose, while 56,595 have received the second dose. In Nagaland, 124 fresh COVID-19 cases have been reported yesterday, taking the total caseload to 13,569. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyopom in a tweet informed that 107 cases were detected in Dimapur, 11 from Kohima, 3 in Mokokchung, 2 in Mon and 1 from Tuensang. He also informed that 32 patients have recovered, which include 29 from Kohima and 3 from Longlang. With the total recovered cases of 12,183, the state has now 952 active cases. In Manipur, the rate of positivity of COVID-19 has been increasing day by day. During the past 24 hours, 259 new COVID-19 positive cases, including 7 personnel from Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed in the state. Meanwhile, 59 COVID-19 patients, including 47 home isolation, were discharged during the hours. The total number of recovered cases is 29,376 persons and the total positive cases is 31,101. 2 persons expired due to COVID-19 reported in the past 24 hours, thus increasing the total fatality due to COVID-19 to 395 in the state. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.